What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Omega Greed YouTube channel, where we do a whole bunch of fun things with cars and we live inside the LA area, so we do videos around LA. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jeffrey. Hey, what's up? We do videos now on my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL and the Veloster N. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. But today's video, we're jumping right into things. I'm gonna do this in one shot, see if I can get this done inside one shot. Yeah, I want to tell you guys, so I just got my new Jeep JL, or new to me. Here's the first couple things that I did to the vehicle to help with some of the interior mods that I wanted to do. It just helps it be just a better daily driver. So these are the couple mods that I did to my car. I'm gonna show you guys what they are. I'll have everything linked down below. These were really cheap modifications, but I think it will help out. It helps out me though, especially inside this interior. So I'll have that stuff linked down below so you can check it out. So let's jump right into things right now. First thing I did, I ordered this guy. This and this guy to help out with the storage situation. Inside the Jeep JLs, they're fine, but for me, I wanted to have a little bit more storage. So a lot of this stuff is just going to be storage additives. So this piece, it adds on here to your four-wheel shifter. It just it has a 3M tape. You would just connect it to this and you attach it there. And on the passenger side as well, 3M tape. It goes right there. It adds an extra little pouch of storage. I will say, if you're taller like me, it may get in your way slightly, but it's not too bad. But you know, I think the benefit of having it outweighs the negative. So that's the reason why I did that. These two pieces came in a kit together. They were very, not expensive at all. The other thing I did, there's this little piece right in there. It gives you an extra little storage now compartment. Before, this is just like a little grab handle, but you put this little piece in there, it gives you a little storage compartment. So your passenger, they can put their phone or whatever in there. I think it's just a nice little useful space to use that as well. I don't necessarily I know there's a lot of kits you can put this thing up here. You can have your phone mounts, stuff like that up there. I don't necessarily like doing that. I think it's too high for my opinion. That's the reason why I like having the storage right there. I also did add these two little mounts for your phone. I always use these for my phone. It's just an extra little magnet. You can just pop it on and your phone just stays on there. It's perfect. I can plug up my Apple CarPlay, have my phone right there, and have everything running off of that. So it's a nice, simple setup. I really like doing this way. I've always done that. Even inside my Focus RS, I had the same thing. And inside my Dodge Challenger. So that's my setup that I have running for that. Now, the other thing that I have set up is this little guy. This extra little storage compartment, it clips into your center console and gives you an extra little storage bin that you can just use for small stuff. If you use it for a phone change or anything like that, even a mask. Now that we're in this type of climate, you can just throw your stuff in there, just tuck it away, nice and simple and easy. That's a real nice little addition. I like having that as well. Helps give me a little bit more storage inside the front. And then the final piece, which is actually one of the things, I don't know why Jeep just didn't come with this extra little storage bin. Without this in here, this just is a giant hole. So you have the storage down below, but there's nothing right here. This gives you a little bit more space. You can actually depart or compartment out this entire unit, so it gives you extra storage options. So I really like that. It's something that I really enjoy, and I think it's a definite that's a big additive if you want to have some extra storage, and it just help you organize everything a little bit better. But yeah, guys, so that's my quick and easy couple of things that I just did first to the Jeep. Oh yeah, and I also did the stubby antenna, but I didn't include that in here because that's the exterior mod. But quick little interior mods to help your Jeep out feel a little bit better, a little bit more spacious, and give you a little bit more storage options. There are some other things that you can do, which I am ordering more stuff, but my goal for this Jeep is to make it not a full-blown overlanding vehicle, but a daily overlanding, a daily that has a good overlanding ability. So I'm not gonna go full hardcore, I'm not gonna do a rooftop tent on here or anything like that, probably not, but we will see. But my goal is to make the interior feel a little bit better, and then adding more and more stuff to it so I can use it for overlanding. But if you guys like that, check out my channel. I'm doing a ton of more videos on this Jeep JL. I've done a ton of other videos on my Jeep JK back in the past, so if you're interested, you can check that out. Go to the website, geeksforcars.com. Follow me on Instagram, Omega Greed, same name as the YouTube channel. Like that, guys, we're out of here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.